हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, स्वागत है आप सभी का और एक सोल्यूशन वीडियो में। आज हम सॉल्व करने वाले हैं बिहार बोर्ड क्लास 10 इंग्लिश प्रोज का 5वां चैप्टर एक्सेप्टेंस स्पीच। तो चलिए सॉल्व करते हैं। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज राइट टी फॉर ट्रू एंड एफ फॉर फॉल्स स्टेटमेंट्स। नंबर 1, द एक्सेप्टेंस स्पीच वाज डिलीवर्ड ऑन September 10th, 1991. False. Number 2, on the occasion of the award of the Nobel Peace Prize in Oslo, Alexander Aris made a speech. True. Number 3, Alexander Aris is one of the brothers of Aung San Suu Kyi. False. Alexander Aris thanked his heart for this honor. True. Answer the following questions very briefly. Number 1, why had Alexander Aris accepted the Nobel Peace Prize on behalf of his mother? Answer, Alexander Aris accepted the Nobel Peace Prize on behalf of his mother, Aung San Suu Kyi, because she was under house arrest in Burma, Myanmar. The Burmese government prevented her from attending the ceremony in Oslo. Number 2, who was awarded the Nobel Peace Prize in 1991? Answer, Aung San Suu Kyi, the Burmese pro-democracy leader and human rights activist, was awarded the Nobel Peace Prize in 1991. Number 3, who was incarnated in the struggle for peace, freedom and democracy? Answer, Aung San Suu Kyi, along with many other senior and respected Burmese leaders, was inculcated for their efforts to promote peace, freedom and democracy in Burma, Myanmar. Complete the following sentences on the basis of the lesson. Number 1, to honor all those. Number 2, your committee. Number 3, age. Answer the following questions very briefly. Question number 1, why has the whole international community applauded Mr. Chairman? Answer, the international community applauded the chairman for the committee's decision to award the Nobel Peace Prize to Aung San Suu Kyi. This choice recognized her significant efforts for democracy and human rights in Burma, Myanmar. Question number 2, what are more precious than diamond or silver or gold? Answer, according to the speech, genuine brotherhood and peace are more precious than diamonds, silver or gold. These values represent the true ideals of the Nobel Peace Prize. Question number 3, who is the chairman of the committee? Answer, the chairman of the committee is the head of the Norwegian Nobel Committee, responsible for selecting the Nobel Peace Prize laureates. In this context, he presided over the decision to award the prize to Aung San Suu Kyi. Long answer questions. Question number 1, and no one must underestimate that plight. Which plight Aris refers to? Explain. Answer, Aris refers to the severe hardships faced by the Burmese people under an oppressive government. He highlights the widespread poverty, imprisonment and physical abuse of citizens. Aris mentions people living in poor conditions, political prisoners being beaten, and young individuals dying of malaria in jungles while fleeing persecution. He also notes the mistreatment of Buddhist monks and the incarceration of respected leaders, including his mother. Aris emphasizes that these dire circumstances should not be underestimated or ignored by the international community. Question number 2, peace, freedom, and democracy are essential for a human being. Do you agree? Give your own opinion. Answer, peace, freedom, and democracy are indeed essential for human well-being and societal progress. Peace provides stability and security, allowing people to live without fear. Freedom enables individuals to make choices about their lives and express themselves openly. Democracy ensures that citizens have a voice in their governance and can hold leaders accountable. These elements contribute to social justice, economic development, and personal fulfillment. While implementing these ideals can be challenging, striving for them is crucial for creating a fair and prosperous society where human rights are respected and opportunities are available to all. Question number 3, the Nobel Peace Prize belongs not only to Aung San Suu Kyi but to all the men, women and children of Burma. Why does Aris say so? Answer, Aris attributes the Nobel Peace Prize to all Burmese people to acknowledge their collective struggle for democracy. He recognizes that while his mother Aung San Suu Kyi is a prominent leader, the fight for freedom involves countless ordinary citizens. Aris highlights the sacrifices made by men, women and children who have endured hardships, imprisonment and even death in pursuit of democratic rights. By extending the honor to all Burmese people, Aris emphasizes the widespread nature of the pro-democracy movement and the shared commitment to peace and freedom throughout the country. Question number 4, the beauty of genuine brotherhood and peace being more precious than diamond or silver or gold. Why does Aris claim so? Do you agree with him? Answer, Aris claims that genuine brotherhood and peace are more precious than material wealth because they bring true fulfillment and harmony to human life. While diamonds, silver and gold have monetary value, they cannot provide emotional satisfaction or foster meaningful relationships. Brotherhood creates a sense of unity and support among people, while people brings tranquility and stability to society. These intangible qualities contribute to overall well-being and happiness in ways that material possessions cannot. I agree with Aris because genuine human connections and a peaceful environment are essential for personal growth, social progress, and a meaningful existence. Material wealth may provide provide comfort, but it cannot replace the deep satisfaction that comes from positive human interactions and a harmonious society. Composition. You are Vinay. You are the secretary of the cultural society of your school. You want to organize an award-giving function in your school. Write a letter to the Mukhiya of your panchayat and the chairman of your Zilla Parishad, inviting him to attend the function. Answer. Vinay, Secretary Cultural Society XYZ School, your school's address, date, to the Mukhiya, name of panchayat, address, and the chairman, name of Zilla Parishad, address. Subject. Invitation to school award-giving function. Respected sir or madam, on behalf of the Cultural Society of XYZ School, I cordially invite you to our annual award-giving function scheduled for date at time in our school auditorium. The event aims to recognize and celebrate the outstanding achievements of our students in various fields. Your presence as our esteemed guests will greatly inspire our students and add significance to the occasion. We would be honored if you could grace this function with your presence and address our students. Looking forward to your positive response. Thanking you, yours sincerely, Vinay, Secretary Cultural Society XYZ School. Word study. Dictionary use. Match the words given in column A with their meanings given in column B. Answer. Detention, delay. Plight, condition. Tyranny, cruelty. Worthy, valuable. Lonely, isolated. Reason, cause. Word formation. Great, greatest. Personal, personally. Nation, national. Child, childhood, children. We see the suffixes li, l, n are added to make new words. Add suitable suffixes to the words given below and make new words. Heavy, high, bright, love. Clear, selfish, brother, hard. Bold, slow, pray, music. Answer. Words given and new words. Heavy, heavier, heaviest, heavily. Clear, clearly. Bold, boldly. High, higher, highest, highly. Selfish, selfishness. Slow, slowly. Bright, brighter, brightest, brightly. Brother, brotherly. Pray, prayer. Love, lovely, loveliest. Hard, harder, hardly. Music, musical. और इसी के साथ आज का सोल्यूशन वीडियो यही समाप्त होता है। जल्द लौटेंगे और एक सोल्यूशन वीडियो के साथ। तब तक कीप लर्निंग।